In terms of legislation, well, you have heard many of the legislation that we have passed. The Bail Act, I'm told by the Chief Justice, we may have some tweaking to do, one or two tweaking of the Bail Act, but by and large, it has worked. It has brought uniformity and consistency in the grant of bail. Some people may not like it. Some people believe that it removed discretion from the magistrate. Well, greater the discretion, greater the likelihood of abuse. Stronger the regulatory framework, the more uniformity and consistency you will have. And we did not introduce a single new legal principle in the Bail Act as far as I can recall. What we did was simply codify the common law positions. We have put on paper in black and white what the magistrate should take into account. That is what the magistrate had to take into account in any event. But it was not stated anywhere. So we can now hold a magistrate or any judicial officer to account with greater transparency. Then we have some fundamental pieces of legislation that will change the way criminal justice is administered and executed in the country. We have the pre-bargaining legislation. It's called the Pre-Bargaining and Pre-Agreement Act. And Madam Chief Justice, in the Act, as I've said before, there is a provision, Section 12, that mandates every court to inform the accused person of the option of pre-bargaining. We put that, they don't have to act upon it, the accused don't have to take it up, or the prosecution doesn't have to pursue it, but we want them to know that it is an option that is available. I have said to the lawyers very clearly and very emphatically that we have to change, and I've said, and we all have to recognize the realities of the society in which we live. We come from a tradition where our people want their day in court. They want their lawyers to destroy the other side. They want to see the person against them be put in the witness box and be embarrassed and humiliated. We want our Shakespearean pound of flesh, so to speak. We come from that culture. That culture has to change.